Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing of a device, or should I say cable this time. This is for the Lenovo laptops. Previously I showed the Winx power bank. So now I'm going to show the Lenovo cable. Basically it's a Type-C to Lenovo connection. I'm just going to show you guys. So in the corner, you guys can see it says for Lenovo and notebooks. So this will work on some computers, but also mainly for Lenovo. It's a good combination with this power bank, especially for this power cuts with some parts of the earth is having. It's a little overview of all that. Some specs for you guys whenever this thing decides to work. Okay, so I will include an overview of this, and that will happen in the next 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay guys, so you guys saw the overview of how it looks around the box. I'm just gonna open it. This cable, they especially say it's for the Lenovo. It should be good, and as you guys can see, the seal is not broken. So when you do get boxes from Takealot or Amazon or wherever you order from, make sure that the seal of the box is always closed. It's not open. Send it back, because it might be a defective product, or it got damaged, or you know. And with this has a nice texture to it. The box, it's like a matte feel to it. And with all products, get some hand sanitizer or something to clean it off. I'm using the rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is one of the best things to use, so I'm just gonna spray some on there, and just to wipe it down. and I have a paper towel just to dry off the box. Okay, so that's done. Use some on my hands. I'll put this one side. So let's get further into the unboxing. So I'm gonna open it, see what's this all about. Especially for those people who are struggling to find cables. Oh, that's quite chunky. So you guys see there's more than one cable in, and nothing further. So there's 2 cables in. So I'm gonna bring it closer to you guys. So this one is the Lenovo type, and so there is the input to a type C. Okay, so this is basically a very long cable. I'm not gonna still take it all apart because I can't show you how long it is, but as you guys can see, there is quite a few length, and then you get another type C to a I'm not sure what kind of input is this, but this is maybe for another type of Lenovo to another type C. Again, the specs will tell you exactly what inputs is this. And then the third cable is another one, a type C on the one end and another input. I'm not sure what type of Lenovo input is this, but it looked like a USB kind of input. But yeah, and this is also very long, so you can basically place your power brick on one end and you can charge it with any one of those cables. Well, charge your device, like your laptop or yeah, your laptops or the different devices will take this kind of inputs though. So type C part, all of it has type C on the one end, and the other one has the different inputs of the Lenovo. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down. Again, you don't want to wet the entire thing, you just want to wet the cable and dry it off. Again, you don't want to also like have to clean the cable afterwards. So when you unbox it, then it is already cleaned off, and then just dry it off with like a paper towel or toilet paper, whatever you guys have to dry, or even it's like a normal cloth, and just like a cloth that you wash out when you're done drying off your products what you maybe purchased. Maybe you purchased the same thing like a power brick and thing, and basically you need it for this kind of I just use paper towel or toilet paper. It works the same, and just throw away thing. Again, this is not like waterproof type of cables or some fancy way of having cables. Make sure that your cables are dry and it's not damaged or kinked or anything like that. Let me just take this away. Double check that is dry. So there you go. That's the cables. The Winx cable. Let's take that away. The Winx cable for Lenovo. So I take it all of the ends, which like that's for Lenovo, that's for Lenovo, and that's for the Lenovo. This is type C to type C to type C. All of it has those type C's at the end. So it could be for various Lenovo laptops or devices. One needs either one of that input. Nice variety of cables. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you purchased the Winx cable, or cables should I say, or have you purchased the Lenovo power brick, which is over here. You guys will get the pop-up from this side or that side, depending on where it will pop up on the device. So you'll get one for the cable and you can get one for the power brick. But again, thanks for watching, subscribing, liking and commenting, and hitting the bell button also. It means a lot to me, and it also helps the channel out a lot. If you guys want to go above and beyond and want to see more unboxings of various items that I can do unboxings of, you guys are more than welcome to donate $5, $3, whatever you want to donate towards the channel. There is a link at the bottom, a PayPal link, what you guys can see. And yeah, again, it's also going for charities, what I'm trying to help out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, or the next unboxing video, or maybe a game video. And yeah, always try and stay positive and stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys. Cheers guys.